Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you going on a cruise? We just came back from one and I want to tell you about Noledome's Cruise Essentials Kit that made our cruise a little easier and more enjoyable. It comes with a wide variety of things from luggage tags to lanyard holders, these magnetic hooks, which are phenomenal because did you know all your stateroom walls are magnetic? These were crazy nice to have. And everything in this kit is very, very high quality. I used the phone holders at the beach when we were off on a port. And as you can see, even if you drop your phone in the ocean, these have a nice little flotation ring around them and you can see underneath the water. So very high quality stuff. I love that it comes as one easy kit so you don't have to go purchasing several different things. This kit has you covered. This would also make a really nice gift for any family or friends who are going on a cruise because it comes in this really cute box. So if you're going on a cruise or you know someone going on a cruise, you need this essentials kit. It will cover all of those little essentials that you might not think about otherwise, but make your cruise so much more enjoyable. But that's just my point of view.